Alright, we're going to talk about while loops now. So what a while loop is, unlike a for loop, it's used when we have a repeating block of code in cases where we usually don't know the exact number of repetitions. And the repetitions stop when a certain condition is fulfilled. So let's write some sample code out. So we're going to have here variable called condition equals 10, right? And then we're going to write while condition not equal to 0. So regardless of the value condition, we're just iterating, we're repeating a block of code when condition is not 0. And we're going to print, oh, don't forget your colons, and then print condition. And then afterwards, we're going to iterate condition equals condition minus 1. So let's print that out. So what this did, basically, is print condition counting down from 10 to 1. And then when it reached 0, it stops completely. So without knowing in advance the amount of iterations to take, we subtracted 1 from condition. So we did 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on. And then to the end, to 0. And when 0, it stopped. And what while can be used for is used for infinite looping. So let's do this. Let's do while, remove that, while true. And what this is going to do, print infinite, how do you spell it? All right. And we're going to print this out. And as you see, it keeps on going forever. So while can be used for making infinite loops. It's used very often in practice, but how would you exactly stop this? It's stopped by the break statement, which we'll be talking about next time.